In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by number in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here list of numbers from 1 to 5 in a repetitive manner. So what we're going to do is we're going to move identical numbers next to each other by using the sorting filter. So to do that, the first thing that we would like to do is to select and highlight the range cells that are involved in the sorting. So let's select from cell A1 up to cell A15. After selecting the cells, simply navigate to Data. And in Data, in the menu navigation, simply navigate to Sort Range. In here, you can see Sort Range by column A, which is for A to Z, and Sort Range by column A, Z to A. So although this involves alphabetical letters only, this also works for numerical functions. So let's say we're going to sort range by column A to C, which is from list to greatest. So to do that, simply click this. And as you can see, all number 1, all number 2, all number 3, 4, and 5 are compiled next to each other. Let's use the other function, which is from greatest to list. So sort range in here, Z to A. So as you can see, all number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are combined to each other. And that's about it. That's how to sort by number in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.